Yesterday the gold has lost its value, and one can see it was a pretty strong bearish candle formed yesterday. After the price has formed a bullish breakout above 4314.36, the price could not manage to return back above this area of resistance. We can see that the price formed a bearish breakout going below that area, and it reached 4092.28 support level, and it has retraced slightly from this area of support. Yesterday, I have mentioned inside the analysis that there is very important to see how the price will behave. Will the price manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout, to see where the price will go? And let's see how the price has behaved in the morning. Here the price, just a minute to see, here it is, the price was forming this area of support when the analysis was made yesterday, and we can see that the price several hours could not manage to make a bearish breakout going below this area of support, and finally made that bearish breakout. We can see that, but the price returned immediately after that, and then after that the price formed a strong bearish candle, which was just the start of the bearish momentum, which has lasted for several hours during the day. And after the end of the day, the price stopped here at 4092.28 support level. After that, we can see the price was forming again a bearish breakout below this area of support. We can see that going strongly down and then retracing back up. So it was a pretty strong volatility in the morning. We can see that where the price is currently is returning back above and is trying to recover from this area of support, which is a daily support level. On the 4-hour time frame from the yesterday, we can see that the price has formed this bearish breakout, a pretty strong bearish candle. It has bouncing from this area of support, which is a daily support level. What we can expect today? Well, for now, for today, I'm expecting that the price will retrace, but it's very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support, 4092.28. Will the price return back down again, forming a bearish breakout, or it will retrace back up, going above 4188.33? So for now, I'm still outside of the market to see how the price will behave after the price comes, especially on the lower time frame. It's like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which will show me the direction where the price is heading. So feel free to check also the link below in the description to see the premium analysis, to receive the updates during the day, and let's see how the price will behave today. That's all, and see you next time. Happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.